Today our adventure is at Sesquicentennial State Park in Columbia, South Carolina. So far the trails are really nice. This is one of the wider trails. I'm not really sure where we're going, but we are enjoying the journey. I love when the parks have these stations with the bags and the place to drop it off. People should be more responsible and pick up after their dog. It's not that hard. If you're going to have a dog, you need to learn how to do it. Bonnie says she sees the campground. Makes you want to go camping, doesn't it, Bonnie? We're not going camping right now. Next week. This is pretty cool. I guess some kids built that. Maybe some Indians. Who knows? Have you ever wondered how many smells there are to smell in nature? Well, according to Bonnie, there are hundreds of them. And she has sniffed out pretty much every one of them today. An awesome place to stop and take a little break among the trees. Trees are really, really pretty.